make 2 cheesecakes.
Made of chocolate, okay. What are the ingredients?
The ingredients are 4 chocolate bars without milk, eggs, nuts. Check. Bourbon biscuits. Check. Icing sugar. Check. Lemon extract. Check. Backup extract. Check. And also the butter. Check.
Okay, ready?
For a treat, choc shot, sweet freedom.
Okay, shall we get going?
Yep.
Okay, what's the first step?
The first step is to put the bourbon biscuits in the blender. Jesse, we're going to use those for
All done?
all done.
Let's have a look inside.
Step 2, we are going to put the butter in. We need it. It's a bit sticky, so we're going to use the cake mixer to get the stickiness off the side.
Ready to go?
Ready? Now we are going to pour this into the cheesecake bowl. We can smooth it out later. Second one, which is for us. We're going to flatten down the bourbon biscuit mix that we spinned earlier with the blender. Now we are doing the chocolate. We are going to melt the chocolate. But first we have to put it in this bowl. Double packaging. Now we are going to melt the chocolate for about 20 minutes. Thank you.
What power?
Power envelope.
Do you want to clear up while we're waiting?
Now we are going to take it out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the clip. Mix your chocolate.
What are we going to do now?
Now we're going to pour the coconut milk and the chocolate in. Wow. Wax. Very
Save it!
Here's leaking chocolate. Now we're going to put the coconut milk in the mixer.
I've just realised something.
What?
Don't think we have enough coconut milk. Uh-oh.
Now we're going to mix it.
A few minutes later.
All done.
What are we going to add now?
We're going to add the icing sugar. 2 tablespoons.
And also the...
The extract. A teaspoon of this.
1 spoon of that.
Oh, 1 tablespoon.
That might help you with that.
Now we're going to put the icing sugar in. 4 spoons. Thank you. We're going to do 1 spoon of lemon extract.
Very gentle.
Lemony. What do you mean?
Whisk until it forms peaks. Peaks, like mountains.
Now we're going to see if it performs mountains. Ooh, it does.
Let's have a look. Do it again.
Thank you for watching this session. Now we're going to put the melted chocolate mixed with coconut onto the cheesecakes. Spread this one.
Put a big lump on first and then we'll spread it out later. Go.
2 big globs. Now we're going to spread it with a knife. Wow. Very good.
Go.
Now we are going to put the thank you on Thomas's cheesecake. It says, thank you! I mean, thanks. Oh,
All done?
all done.
Is this how you make a cheesecake?
Yep.
How much cheese did you use?
No. It's not called a cheesecake because you put cheese. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.